I'm Paolo.
I'm Christina. And I'm Malo.
We are now
Hi, Lalo.
to teach you how to cook mariscada. Mariscada means shellfish in Spanish. A mariscada is with lobster, clam, shrimp, and scallops. Now here are the ingredients. 1/4 kilo of oyster, 3 pieces of prawns, 1/4 kilo of taho, 1.5 cup vegetables, 3 cloves garlic with in mint, teaspoon ginger grated, 1 teaspoon flour, 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1 cup dry wine, 1.5 cup parsley, salt and pepper to taste. Heat oil in a large skillet or Dutch oven. Sear garlic and ginger and cook over medium heat until garlic begins to turn golden. Do not burn. Then add the prawn and shrimp. Add the oyster. Then add the taho. Cover and let cook until clamshells open in about 5 to 7 minutes. Blend together the flour, eggs, milk, and the wine.
Now, we're going to put our finished product, mariscada, into the plate. And now, here are the finished product, mariscada. Mmm. Ano yun? Paano ko makapag-ganda ng plate na?
Yan. Thank you for viewing.
Thank you.